With Google I/O just around the corner, leaks continue to flow, offering a sneak peek at the upcoming Pixel 9 series. Shared by an anonymous source with Rosec, these images showcase the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 XL, highlighting their design overhaul with flat back panels, screens, and edges, distinguishing them from their predecessors' rounded edges. A significant redesign is observed in the camera module, now more contained compared to the previous models. The Pro versions are expected to feature a matte back with glossy frames, while the Pixel 9 will sport a glossy back and matte frames. According to the leak, Google plans 4 models: Pixel 9, codenamed Tokay, Pixel 9 Pro, codenamed Heyman, Pixel 9 XL, codenamed Komodo, and Pixel 9 Fold. While the names of the XL and Fold versions remain unconfirmed, details about the first 3 configurations are disclosed. The Pixel 9 is rumored to offer 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, while the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL will boast 16 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage each. Screen sizes are expected to vary, with the Pixel 9 at 6.24 inches, Pixel 9 Pro at 6.34 inches, and Pixel 9 XL at 6.73 inches. Notably, despite sharing dimensions with the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 will feature larger bezels. All 3 models are speculated to sport 120Hz AMOLED displays. Regarding cameras, the Pixel 9 may feature 0.5x and 1x lenses, while the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are anticipated to offer 0.5x, 1x, and 5x lenses, all equipped with 50-megapixel sensors. The Google Tensor G4 chip is expected to power all 3 phones, though the name is not confirmed. Additionally, the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL may include UDB ultra-wideband technology, a feature absent in the Pixel 9. While these leaks paint an exciting picture of what to expect from the Pixel 9 series, it's essential to remember that these details are unofficial and may change. We eagerly await an official announcement from Google, hopefully at the upcoming Google I/O conference. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.